Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on World Emoji Day. World Emoji Day is celebrated on July 17th. Emojis are small pictures used to show feelings and ideas in messages. The date was chosen because it is shown on the calendar emoji. People use emojis every day to make their messages fun. There are many different emojis like smiley faces, animals, and food. On World Emoji Day, new emojis are sometimes introduced. It's a day to celebrate how emojis help us communicate. Many people share their favorite emojis on social media. Emojis can make texting and chatting more colorful and expressive. World Emoji Day reminds us of the fun and creativity emojis bring to our messages. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.